Hi, and welcome to the Workspace Formula. In this course, we're going to learn how to optimize your profile to reach more people and reach the right audience that you want on LinkedIn, to get more profile views, to set up your profile better, and get a better job and present yourself better on LinkedIn. For this purpose, I have made a sample LinkedIn profile on which I will be making it from the scratch and showing you how to optimize it at its best. So this is my profile, a new profile I've just made the profile and entered the essential details, nothing more. So we have the Workspace Formula as our name, assistant manager at Nova Cave. It's all just a sample things, and then we'll be just going through this profile, adding new details and showing you how it's done. Okay, so now the four things we need. Number one is the LinkedIn page that you can see obviously. Number two, we're going to be needing a canva.com. You can easily log in with any of your Gmails. Number three will be your CV. I have just this sample CV again, it's all just sample. And number four, we're gonna need ChatGPT or any AI assistant that you believe is good for you. So see you in the next video.